So I have the JBL Tune 770 noise cancelling headphones, and I'll be showing you how to charge these headphones. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is pick up the cable that came in the box of your headphones, like this orange cable. This one comes in the box, but then of course you can use any USB-C cable. Now the headphones have a Type-C port on, let's see, on the right ear cup. Okay, so right here is a Type-C port. So all you need to do is plug in the cable into the port. So the Type-C end of the cable into that port. And then what you want to do is connect this other end to a power source. Now this could be a charging brick, it could be your computer, it could be even the back of a TV, a power bank, anywhere that you can draw power from. Just go ahead and connect. And once you connect, the headphones should start charging. And you can tell the headphones are charging because there's going to be a little red light next to the Type-C port. You can see that little red light over there. That basically means the headphones are charging. So that's it. You just need to give them about 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes, and they should be good enough for you to use. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.